In this video, we're gonna talk about the Magic Hexagon. The Magic Hexagon is very useful, especially in trigonometry. In trigonometry, we have the 6 trigonometric functions, which are the tangent, the sine, the cosine, the cotangent, the cosecant, and the secant. This Magic Hexagon is very useful in identifying the trigonometric identities. By the way, we have the 4 trigonometric identities that must be applied in this Magic Hexagon. First, the Quotient Identity. Second, the Product Identity. Third, the Reciprocal Identity. And the fourth, and the last is the Pythagorean Identities. When getting the Quotient Identity, we can apply this in clockwise and counterclockwise. For example, tangent is the quotient of the sine and the cosine. Sine is the quotient of the cosine and the cotangent, and so on. And in counterclockwise, tangent is the quotient of the secant and the cosecant. Secant is the quotient of the cosecant and the cotangent, and so on. Therefore, the Magic Hexagon must be applied in counterclockwise and clockwise when getting the quotient. Okay, let's move on. In product identities. When getting the product identities, we have to choose 3 trigonometric functions that are sequential. For example, I will choose tangent, sine, and the cosine. Sine must be the product of tangent and the cosine. Another one, for example, I will choose secant, cosecant, and the cotangent. Cosecant will be the product of secant and the cotangent. In reciprocal identities, the particular function is the reciprocal of the opposite function. For example, we have sine. Sine is the reciprocal of the cosecant. Secant is the reciprocal of the cosine. Tangent is the reciprocal of the cotangent. By the way, in addition, if we multiply the 2 opposite functions, we can get the center 1. And that is the purpose of the 1 here. For example, if we multiply tangent and the cotangent is equal to 1. If we multiply also sine and the cosecant, it will become also 1. Cosecant and secant, it will become 1. Let's move on to Pythagorean identities. We have to focus these 3 triangles and we move in clockwise. For example, sine squared plus cosine squared is equal to 1. 1 plus cotangent squared is equal to cosecant squared. Tangent squared plus 1 is equal to secant squared. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from my video. I also hope that my Magic Hexagon will help you in trigonometry. Once again, this is Mark Bulao and this is my instructional material. Till next time, goodbye!